Overhaul your home design with schedules and costs considered. Your home renovation is more cost-effective if you hire someone who'll recommend and execute house designs for you. If you've decided to purchase ready-made blueprints and floor plans online, then you should make sure your contractor handles the scope of the project on his own. A reasonable estimate and deadline should also be set to keep everyone's expectations in check. You're often better off with an independent home designer of your own, especially if you're thinking of concepts seldom implemented in housing projects in your area. Edgy, modern designs should be entrusted to professionals who know how to apply these without compromising the structural integrity of your home. The service should be professional first and foremost, though, if you want the project's completion to meet the deadline. The aspects of the project must be clearly defined at the outset. The program, scope, and deadline should be set during the initial consultations so you'll know what to expect from your contractors while the project is in progress. The program involves the basic details of the design, including the floor plan and the concept. This is also the phase where you have to sort through details you want to add prior to construction. If you want to tweak aspects of the design or add fixtures which don't really complement the theme, then you have to consult your designer and ask to incorporate all these into the plans.